Hey guys, I'm out here at Clifton Gorge Nature Preserve in Yellow Springs, Ohio. It's adjacent to John Bryan State Park. We're out here for a quick day hike on Mother's Day. Just getting some exercise in, some training in with my my loaded backpack. So this place is beautiful and you couldn't ask for better weather. So stay tuned and we'll check this place out and see what it all has to offer. So far it's looking pretty cool.